In primetime news this evening, no charge. DPP rules against charging cop accused of cutting Nzinga King's locks while she was in custody. Solutions to Portmore's traffic nightmare. The final of the TVJ News in Focus congestion chaos. And poor drainage in the spotlight as multi-ministerial tour examines parishes flooded last week.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the DPP's recommendation not to lay criminal charges against the female constable who allegedly caught Rastafarian Nzinga King's locks while in police lockup? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.